This video will serve as an introduction to, as well as a how to use our image and video hosting platform here at Fitchburg State University called SmugMug. The easiest way to get there, if you haven't used SmugMug yet, is to go to the main page, find Marketing and Integrated Communications via the search function, which we've already done. Click on that, which will bring you to our page. You'll scroll down all of this very valuable information, and you will get to the resources section. Top of that is campus photos and videos. Click on that. You'll see a live link here highlighted called SmugMug. Click on that. That brings you to our SmugMug site. The site is broken into years. We've only been using this for the last couple of years or so that's why there aren't that many years. Prior to that, we had been storing images and video on shared drives. This is a far better way of viewing, storing, and sharing because it also has the capability of easy search. What we've done to make search easier is instead of using a bunch of abbreviations, we've just used keywords that would be more intuitive to use, like lab, library, orientation, lecture, things like that. We try to narrow it down as much as possible so that you can narrow your search down as much as possible. So let's say you were doing a piece with print services about the science program here and you wanted some photos of students in the lab, and for whatever reason you wanted the most recent photos, so you'd click on 2023, the most recent year, and as you'll see in this folder, we've also broken it down into other folders. So we have academics, student life, events, admission, it goes on and on. We have multiple folders trying to narrow things down a little bit. Now, if you just wanted to get your juices flowing, you just wanted to start looking through these folders, you can click on them and you can see a bunch of different things that may make you think, oh, maybe I want to use that, maybe I want to use that. But for right now, we'll use the lab example. So we're going to go back to 2023. Up in the corner, you'll see a search spot. We've already searched for lab, so you would type in lab, hit enter. Now, for whatever reason, it defaults to photos. We recommend that you go to galleries. So now you'll see all of the galleries that have the keyword or the metadata of lab. So you'll see there's all different labs here. So for instance, while this has lab as one of its keywords, it also has nursing. So if you were looking for nursing, this would pop up. So say you are doing a piece on nursing. All right, this looks good. You'll click on that. You can see the whole gallery, all of the photos in grid view. Say you were happy at this point and you wanted to share the entire gallery with print services. You would click on that. You would copy the gallery link. It's copied. It's on your clipboard. You paste that into your email and you send that off to print services. If that's too much and you just want to look through and see some of the photos, you can look at some of the photos as well. I really like that one. I know it's a vertical piece. Now what we recommend is from here you download the photo. So every photo is downloadable. Do not do a screen grab because you will not have the best quality photo. So from here you would click download, click on that, it would go into your downloads folder, and you can throw that into whatever folder you want or just email that straight to print services. An easier option where you won't be clogging up your download folder is to click share, copy the photo link, it's copied, paste that into your email, you will be sending that to print services so they know that's the photo you want to use. So it's a great way of viewing and sharing these. Another thing to note is if you're happy with how it looks here, you can also download it from this grid view. If, for instance, you wanted to look through all of the photos that we have in SmugMug, instead of going to a particular year, you'd go back to the main page or the home page. So again, back home, recommend that you definitely bookmark this page. That way you don't have to go through the rigmarole of finding it via the home page and the Marketing and Integrated Communications page. You can save it. What we strongly recommend you do is bookmark this page. So go up to your favorites and click it, bookmark it. That way you'll have it right there in your bookmarks and in your favorites, and you'll never have to go through all of those steps to get there. We recommend that you go back frequently because this is updated on a daily basis.